Hey guys, so we have here our Toyota Yaris, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the cabin air filter in all of these vehicles. So in this case this is your 2015 models, but it pretty much works the same way in all of the models. So this is already here my new cabin filter. I'm going to place a link to order one similar to that here in the comment sections below. So we're going to enter the front passenger side of the vehicle, and we're going to open up the glove box. I already emptied this out. And then on the side we're going to find here one tab on each side. So here on this case here on the left side as well as on the right side. And what we have to do in order to remove this glove box is just slide this or press this inward a little bit, and then you should be able to remove first the one side of the glove box and then the other side, and then you have to be careful because just like in my case it may just drop out of the holders on the bottom. Then we take a look inside of this hole here, then we see this little plastic cover, and we're going to be able to open this up here from the left side. Just pull on it, and right behind there we're going to find the cabin air filter, which we can now carefully pull out. So depending on how dirty it is, you want to make sure that none of the debris is falling inside and you just get all of the dirt out. So now we can already insert the new filter. We have to make sure to put this in the right direction. So you have to look for those arrows here on the side. So make sure they're pointing downwards when you're sliding in this new filter. And here the hard sides of the filter have to be here on the left and on the right side, just like you see here, so that the writing in this case here is on the left side with the arrows pointing down. So now to slide in the new filter, it may be a little bit difficult, so maybe use two hands to push it in, make sure it goes in all the way. And now we can already put the plastic cover back on. Take a look at the front here, it says up with the arrows, and make sure you have this the right way. And I found the easiest way to get this cover back on successfully is by sliding it back and forth just a little bit here on these rails. And then that way you know you have it aligned correctly, and then you should be able to slide it right into the side here. And then the opposite side here, the left side in this case, you're just going to click into position, make sure this is really sitting well, is not loose anymore. And now we can already reinstall here the glove box. So you're going to see these four tabs here on the bottom, all these little areas where we have to slide the bottom of the glove box right into. And then of course we have the two tabs here on the top, towards the top of the glove box. So I found that here in this case the left side is a little bit more difficult to get inside at first. So I'm going to start here with the right side. It's relatively easy. You just again push the plastic of the glove box towards the center, so in this case here to the left, and then we can push it inside. Make sure that those tabs on the bottom of the glove box are still in position. And then here, as I slid in the right side, the left side actually also went right in all by itself. So now the glove box is already in place. We're making sure that everything is working correctly. So just by opening it and closing it a couple of times, making sure that it really closes. Probably should clean this as well. Going to do this after creating the video. Yeah, but this was already it. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.